Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at the Healthy Recipes project. So using the CSS selectors that we've learned, we're going to give a recipe website the style. So let's go ahead and start this project up real quick. It's a shorter one right here. So we're already given the code for the index.html, which isn't really, that bad. We have I'll just run through it real quick. So we have the picture of the picture right here, or I'll just explain the code, I guess. How about that? So we'll ignore this part for now. And basically, we have the doc type, HTML tag, which spans all the way here. You have the head and your body. The head is going to contain the title of the tab right there. And then you're linking the CSS style sheet, which we're going to code up in a second. First thing you have on the page is the picture of the Caesar salad right there. And then you have the title there, kale, Caesar, quinoa salad with roasted chicken. And then you have a little paragraph right here. You have a little, another little tiny paragraph text with the cook time, the ingredients using a list and an unordered list, paragraphs with an ordered list, and then you have a little element here with the anchor that actually links to the recipe and more. All right, so let's go ahead and start styling this up, making it look nice. And again, once we finish, go ahead and rewind to the start of the video so you can see the before and after. I think that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, let's get into this. So using the CSS selectors, you'll give a recipe website some new style. If you get stuck during the project or would like to see an experienced developer working through it, it can get unstuck right there. All right, perfect. So before we begin, let's take a look at the site structure, which I already went over briefly there. So start by making the image at the top a little smaller. So navigate to style.css and write a selector for the image tag. And then in the declaration, we're going to put that in. Okay, so image, and then we have that's height. Just going to fix that up, so we're good. Try experimenting with the number 140, 150, sorry, okay, that makes sense. Great job, okay, yep, there we go. And then go ahead and do the font size of the description should be larger. So write a CSS selector for the dot description. And then we'll do font size. We'll do 20 pixels for that one. Cool. And then let's go ahead and style the cooking time. So the elements has an ID attribute of cook time. So navigate and add a cook time ID. Hashtag cook time. And then we'll make it font weight and we'll make it bold. And there you go. Great job. In your code, you have correctly added the selector. However, it seems like you may have missed the curly braces after the selector. Make sure to add the curly braces and inside them write font weight bold. This will apply. Give it a try and let me know if you have any other questions. Let's see. Yeah, cook time, right? Cook time. That should be it. Good, looks good. Okay. Let's go ahead and change the bullet points to squares instead of circles. Start by selecting the li, writing a selector for the li elements inside of the dot ingredients. So the dot ingredients, ingredients. Oh my god, I cannot spell, I'm sorry. Ingredients. And then we'll do li. And then here we'll do the list style and we'll do square. How about that? Yep, there you go. And then let's make the time for each step appear in gray. So select a class, write a selector for the paragraph that also have a class of time. So dot time, and then you have a p, and then you can do color gray, like so. Okay, I think we missed something there. Your current code is close, but the selector is targeting inside of the elements wall. We actually need to that also have class. Modifying to select the have a. Oh, okay. So for that, we'll do p dot time. How about that? Yep, there you go. Does that work? Yup, great job. It's correct. Double check. Instead of gray. Okay, save to use gray. So it's gray, not gray. Okay. Alright, and then at the bottom of the page, there's a link to the full recipe. Let's make the link a different color. So notice that there's a p element with the class of citation, then an anchor tag. Okay, yep, I see it right there. With the class of external link. So navigate to style.css selector using the so dot external link. Then we'll go ahead add in the color of sea green. Yep, there you go. And then finally, let's go ahead and make the font Helvetica instead of the default Times New Roman. Instead of writing multiple selectors to apply to the font family property, write a selector that applies to all of the text at once. The selector should target all of them. Okay. So we can just do this. We can just do h1, h2, p, li, and then we'll just do font family Helvetica, and then run it. There you go. Still doesn't look, that nice, but again, like, what are you expecting? It's just, a practice project right there. But your code looks good. You have currently selected all of those. You can now move on to the next task. Okay, you made it to the finish line. If you're done, be sure to check off all the boxes. Yes. I didn't check them off, but yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay. And there you go. That's gonna end it right here. That is the healthy recipes code right there. And I'm gonna scroll through it briefly so you see everything that I have, and then also the index.html as well. Let me do it. So if you want to go ahead and code this out with me, go ahead and do it. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.